All right, here comes Rutherford. We're outside, and it is getting a little dark, but I am packing up for the Kutztown Radio Show. Here's my van, and it just has a little bit of stuff in it right now, some old ECM gear. Mostly those are empty boxes and moving blankets. It will be full. My van will be full. But yep, get staging stuff up. There's a big tube. I think it's a Klystron. But I've got my trailer full of stuff, and I mean really full. Look at the tires. The tires are complaining a bit, simply because there's an awful lot of magazines, books, and records in here, and some radios, of course. There's, I think, a Grundig. And no, that's just their temporary. It's not going to be riding in the van like that, or in the trailer like that. It will be nicely put in the van, probably in some blankets. It's just there temporarily. But yeah, the records and such like that, this is how it's going to go. Got a lot of junk and stuff. But yeah, I will be at the Kutztown Radio Show. That is Kutztown, Pennsylvania. And it is coming up in just a couple of days. It will be this Friday and Saturday. And Kutztown, Pennsylvania, go look it up. Kutztown is sort of near Allentown. It's the east side of Pennsylvania. A little to the south, I guess. Big 2-day event. I will be there Thursday because I am a vendor. I'm sharing a spot with my friend Paul. And yeah, come on by and say hello. I will be in the main pavilion, roughly in about the center of the pavilion. There are 2 pavilions. The main pavilion is the one that is furthest from the main road, the one that's sort of out by the field. And it's the more active of the 2 pavilions, arguably. I will be there with a spot with lots of stuff. Paul will have stuff there too, I guess. But I will be there all day, all 3 days, sort of. I'll get there Thursday. That is not tomorrow, but the day after. And Friday's the big main day for the public. And then Saturday morning as well, is a good day for the public. So, yeah, I encourage you to come on by. It is a very, very good old radio swap fest. There's an auction, too, and a few other things. And there's all sorts of silliness that happens on Friday night. Well, silliness, let me just say, silliness. It's a lot of fun. So, yeah. Come on by, say hello. Maybe I'll give you a free tube or something. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, that's where I'm going to be. Kutztown Radio Show. Also, I would like to thank you all for reaching 500 subscribers. I'm a little over right now. I think I'm at 508. It's a bit of a milestone, I think. And thank you for your support. I am planning on doing something about that. I have a video planned. And I had a little more production value than my normal videos. But yeah, I'm making a video for the 500 subscriber special. All right. Well, it's getting a little late. See, the sun's going down there. Lights getting dim. Mosquitoes are coming out. I'm going to continue loading up mostly the van tomorrow, and then Thursday, bright early in the morning, I will leave for Kutztown. Probably get there, I don't know, I'll probably shoot for 2 o'clock. I don't need to be there just when the gates are opening, because Thursday is I'm no longer one of those guys that has to get to a show at the crack of dawn to get all the good deals and such like that. No, those days are gone for me. I'm mostly about getting rid of stuff at this point. So here is some of the stuff. Records, magazines, transformers, a big tube. Actually, there are quite a few big tubes in here. Some actual radios. What else do we have in there? all sorts of great stuff. There's an old Coca-Cola bottle tray. It's kind of neat. Yeah, stop on by, say hello. Okay, hope to see you then. Bye-bye.